JulieBlanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, recipes, and home decor. Today, we're going to talk about how to add character and charm to your home. And it's a lot easier than you might think. And in fact, you may have been doing it all along. If you have a new builder's grade home, an older home that desperately needs an update, or even a flip, you might notice that there are some things that are lacking. These tips will make it so easy for you to make a builder's grade home or a flip home feel unique. They'll also add a lot of warmth and depth to your home, which gives it that feeling of charm. My first tip is to embrace the style of your home. Whether you have a Tudor home like we have, a colonial, a Cape Cod, mid-century modern, whatever it might be, it's all in the details that you should embrace. Here we embraced the beautiful diamond paned windows, and by embracing those, it really elevated the home. Without them, I think it would feel much more like a dated 70s home, but we embraced them by adding some copper lanterns outside, painting the diamond panes white so that they really stand out since they were wood and not lead, and added some features that we'll get to here soon that are reminiscent of a traditional Tudor. So if you embrace the style of your home, it will automatically feel more charming. They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and that's true with your entry door. And we have failed significantly on that here at our home in St. Louis. We have yet to replace our front door 6 years later. Why? Because it overwhelms me every time. But we have at the Lake Cottage, we replaced it with a Dutch door, which adds so much character and charm, as well as light into the room, which you can learn more about how to add light to your home. I'll link to that in the description below. When we moved into this home, it was all linoleum and really worn out carpeting. Now we were able to find, with a simple trick, a little bit of parquet flooring in our office, but we opted to eliminate that as well because it was far too damaged after years of carpeting going in on it and miscellaneous other issues. So it was just not going to be worth resurfacing, resanding. But adding new flooring really can update a space. Whether you do tile, wood, brick, whatever you choose, of course it instantly adds a little warmth and character. For our mudroom, we chose brick flooring. And I'll actually do a video about brick flooring because I receive a lot of questions about it, but it adds a lot of character. I mean, if there's ever a room I get asked about the most, that's it. It's something I remember from my Aunt Essie's farm. And the reason why brick flooring was used in old farmhouses is because it traps the dirt. And that's exactly what I wanted it to do here in our home. And it does. It totally traps all the dirt. And so people are always asking, like, how do you clean it? Well, you don't. You can vacuum it and it collects all the dirt, but we really don't mop it or anything else. It's very easy to maintain, but it adds so much depth and interest that I just love it. It's something that you can see from our entryway, our living room, our kitchen. Just that little peak of brick adds so much. Now, of course, throughout the rest of our house, we used wood flooring in a nice warm stain. And in the girls' bedrooms, we used carpeting. And in our most recent bathroom remodel, we used tile. Whatever you choose to do, it will definitely take your space to the next level. Now, you don't always have to add new flooring. Sometimes taking away is just as powerful, and that's the case with our stairs. Our stairs were covered with dark, dated carpeting, both the stairs down to the basement and the stairs going up to the second level. In both this home and our previous home, we decided to remove it, sand and stain the stairs to reveal their natural beauty. Chris did it on his own at our last home, and here we had it done for us. And down to the basement, we just added a simple stair runner. Really easy, really inexpensive. Sometimes less is just more. Another thing you can do, of course, is frame your windows. Whether you're using curtains, hanging them the right way can really add a lot of charm. I love, love, love beautiful curtain rods and beautiful window treatments. We have yet to do any custom window treatments, but I do have a post on how to fake it. Another one of my favorite updates that really makes the space feel special is wallpaper. In our hall bath at the lake cottage, we used grass cloth, and again, just added that nice little layer of texture, and it feels so charming. And I like to choose a really small room to work with because it's less expensive, since wallpaper is quite pricey and much easier to achieve. Those small rooms can really offer a big bang for your buck. And of course, we never want to neglect the exterior. There are several ways you can update the exterior to add a lot of charm and curb appeal. Again, the front door is wonderful. Outdoor lighting is always very, very helpful, not only for framing your garages and your entry light, but also it's really nice with landscape lighting. I look forward to adding some of that to both of our homes this year. A couple of my favorite outdoor updates that we've done to add some character and charm have both been at previous homes. Our home in Prairie Village, Kansas, Chris made me wood shutters. They were really simple. It was a great weekend project, and they looked so gorgeous and really transformed the exterior. In our second home in Kansas, we built window planter boxes. Now, whether you buy them or build them, it really instantly upgraded the outdoor area and added so much charm. I love seeing the flowers overflowing from them. And finally, landscaping. Some well-selected landscaping adds a lot of charm to your home, and again, that curb appeal. Bonus points if you can create your own cutting garden. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave them in the description below. Don't forget to click subscribe and set alerts so that you never miss a video. I'll be sharing so much more on how you can blend design and function. I look forward to seeing you again soon.